We are in Angel Island. There's Tiburon, and there's the children.
Melanie, this is what I was talking about.
Oh, wonderful. So Jackson's gonna go sailing, I guess, huh? That's his buddy. He said you guys are all gonna go.
Going to get a paddle.
Oh. It's just like the old days, huh? Pretty soon you guys will be at the Jersey Shore.
Like 5 sand traps.
Yeah.
Fine? 5? It's a good thing we got change of pants.
We can get this pants as dirty as we want.
Well, I have your sweatpants.
Well, I brought shorts, so I brought another pair of shorts.
I think they're in the car, maybe. Are we having fun yet?
Yeah.
It's awesome, huh?
I'll try it. Mommy, we found Mom. Mommy, come here. Mom.
Hold on, I got rubber.
We found like clay. Look. We found like clay.
Clay, feel it.
Jackson! Jackson, we found clay.
Like compacted.
You can make a. Oh, there you go. You got an oar. You're ready, buddy.
Jackson, we
There
found
you go,
clay.
Jackson.
Feel it, it's clay.
That is clay.
Does it smell like poop?
Another rock.
Oh!
Mom, can you take this to Aunt Roberta? Tell her it's clay.
Smell like poop?
Gross!
This one doesn't. It doesn't.
It's like clay.
I'm heading out for my journey.
All right, see ya. Good
Hey,
luck.
Jackson, I'll get your boat
You might
out.
want to feel the water.
Hey, Jackson, help me get this.
Okay, Jackson's going out for a sail. He's got his own little boat here. Jeez, goat feet.
Alright.
Okay, good luck.
What should I do with my pants?
I think you might want to feel the water first. Yeah, don't get your shoes all wet, dude.
Okay, how do I get back?
You paddle back.
You have to swim, I think.
Okay. Yeah, or I can just pull my boat back too. That's an option.
Jackson, you ready?
You don't have a sail, bud.
Just slip your shoes off.
Alright. And then what should I roll these up?
Look at all this clay. It's so mushy.
Now you're ready. Let's go.
It's like mud.
Jackson, come on.
I think you should just park it on the edge there a little bit.
Park it right there.
Jackson, come on.
Well, another float plane flew over. It was a DHC Super.
Is that it?
I could use that plane if I wanted.
Just remember, you don't have a change of clothes. Tori, I think you ought to bring the boat out a little bit, then you can just sit on it. There, oh, out of the water, I think a little bit. Oh. He's gonna get his pants all soaking wet. Let's see.
Kid, the big boat's leaving.
Okay.
Kid, the big boat is leaving.
Uh-oh, waves are coming.
Mommy, see, this is when all the waves come.
Yeah.
The big boat. You have to come in.
You have to stay away before the big waves.
It'll be cold.
Look at mud down.
Yep.
And you put that mud.
Hey, Dad, sit on your boat. It's okay.
Tori, don't, he's gonna get all wet.
He wants to go. Hey, Dad, you want to sit?
Oh.
Let me sit on your boat right now.
This is a funny experience.
I need to go see about my boat. Okay. All right, Tana. Bye-bye.
Bye. Nice knowing you.
Bye.
See ya. Is that how the sailors do it?
Hey, Jackson, come on. You're going up.
Look at all this mud. I
Hey,
can't
Jackson,
get past it. Why is like hard.
Come on.
All right.